Okay. Before I even open it, it has already pulled through. So probably maybe I'll just pause and do one more trade and then show you what I actually wanted to show you. I'll be right back. Okay. I just made another entry which is going up. Now I'm trading for 30 something percent. All right, just pulled through. Now I'm trading for, what percentage is this? Let me check it again properly. 39%. Okay, let me show you history behind this so that you guys can get to know you can do this every day, every damn day. Let's go to statement. That's where you get to see the deposit where it's from. This is 100%. Now see the deposit here. See it here, $50. What time? Look at the time. That's the time there, 15:22. So that's 5:22, right? So let's look at when I stopped trading. 15:32. That's 10 minutes. 10 minutes, I was able to make 100% plus. That's like almost 60%. And I was trading, guess I was trading with $30. I loaded 50, so I traded with 30. You need to understand, anybody can do this. You can do this. But hey, first, don't go and try this by yourself. Whenever I said I'm pausing, I'm going to look for signal, there is actually a proper way to know the direction of the market. This will help you minimize losses and increase your chances of winning. Guys, I've always been saying, every time you are trading, ensure that you are not distracted. I have a lot of people distracting me. I almost lost some trades. Now, these are the trades I've done. I need you to see all the trades I've done. Number of trade for this section. Now, let me show you the number of trade. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 trades. All right, 9 trades to make. I turned $50. I turned $50 deposit, all within 20 minutes to $260. Maybe you are wondering. I've already shown you from the previous video how this was done. So let me show you from, I think, statement. Yeah. So that you get to see what I deposited and what I am getting. That's 260, right? So see where I started from. See the 50 deposits. Today, see the time. This is from 5:22 and we have 17:42. That's 20 minutes. 20 minutes of trade, growing $50 into 250 or 260. So you should get to understand this is possible. I've told you this is possible. It's always possible. Hey, learn. It's a skill. Ask yourself, why does Cristiano Ronaldo still practice? Why does Messi still practice? If they do not practice, they're not going to become the best of what they do. You must practice. You must learn the craft. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.